When your RAM and CPU are running at 100%, it can bog down your whole system. Follow these steps in order to get that high percentage back to where it should be. Run the ePSA test. Turn off your PC and turn it on again. Press the F12 key at the Dell splash screen until the blue test mode screen appears. Using the keyboard arrow keys, select Diagnostics and hit Enter. If you get any errors, contact our tech support through social media. If no errors appear, go on to the next step. Use the Task Manager to manage programs. Right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. Expand More Details and open the Startup tab. Evaluate the list of programs that start with your operating system and disable those you deem unnecessary, especially any with high impact. Next, open the Processes tab and analyze the list to identify which programs are causing slowness. Look over the CPU and memory columns for those with abnormally high percentages. Click on any tasks overloading your system and hit End Task to stop them from running. Perform a minimal clean boot. In the search box, type msconfig and select it. Click on the General tab and hit the Diagnostic Startup button and click OK. Then restart the system. Update your drivers using the Dell website. Go to dell.com/support, enter your service tag or use Detect PC. Select Drivers and Downloads, click on Detect Drivers and follow the instructions. Make a few adjustments to help performance. Type Control Panel in the search box and select it. Switch to the large icon view and go into Power Options and choose the High Performance option. Click on Change Plan Settings and expand Turn Off Hard Disk After, and set the minutes to 0. This will ensure that the hard disk does not power down or go into a low power state, which can cause disk usage issues. Next, close as many applications as possible. Keep open only the ones you need and close all the other apps which you don't use all the time. This is especially important when you update to Windows 10 on an older computer. Run an antivirus scan. Type Windows Defender in the search box and select Windows Defender Security Center. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, then on Scan Now and follow the instructions. If you have any other antivirus software installed, run a scan using that one. Disable suggestions and other services. Go into Settings, select System, and click on Notifications and Actions. Scroll down and toggle off Get Tips, Tricks, and Suggestions as you use Windows. Now press the Windows key and the R key, and in the dialog box, type in services.msc and click OK. Next, double-click on the Superfetch service and in the Properties window, change the startup type to Disable. Also, stop the service next to the service status. Do this same process for the Background Intelligence Transfer service and the Windows Search service. Check the system for any corrupted files. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select PowerShell Admin. Type FSC /scan now and hit Enter. The scan will look for and automatically restore any missing or damaged system files. Be patient and wait for this process to be finished completely. Afterwards, you can always do a clean install of your system if necessary. If you need help with this, watch our Dell Tech Support tutorial about how to perform a clean install of Windows for your PC. Have questions or need some assistance? Contact Dell Tech Support through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or you can join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!